Hi guys, Richard from Evergreen Walls here. I'm very excited to talk to you today about some of our new green wall panels. We've got a whole new range, the Signature range. This one behind me here is the Signature Meadow green wall panel. Now, what's different about these green walls? Well, this panel here comes in a pack of 3, A, B, C panel, and you can see it's been built and designed to look like it's growing across the wall. It's got really nice yellow and golden tones, lots of texture and colour, different varieties of product. You've got some boxwood leaves in here, some grass, spiky style plants, a little bit of white hues, a bit of jasmine. But as I say, it's great for pool fences, down the side of your house, or just covering up any alfresco walls you might have or unsightly walls that you might have at home. It's got lots of colour, lots of texture. It's got a complicated design of greenery, but what it isn't is complicated to install. You can take this out of the box, it will look exactly like this coming out of the box. There's no other plants to install with it. Straight out of the box, straight onto the wall, really easy to install. On top of that, it's a 4-year warranty product. So that's going to cover discoloration and cracking, been made specifically with UV stable ingredients, which makes it perfect for the Australian climate and the Australian outdoors. Now, you don't have to use it just outdoors. You can use this interiors or exteriors. It's perfect for indoors and outdoors in any space where you've got an unsightly or plain green wall. Just like most of our 1 metre square panels, they snap lock together to make a kind of curtain tile, if you like. You put them against the wall and you install mechanically with screws or staples or even zip ties if you can do that as well. It's a great new product, lots of variety, lots of depth, lots of colour, perfect for your home. Now look, buying online, especially with products like this, can be difficult sometimes. I know it's hard to envision what it might look like in your space. The other thing you can do is buy a sample online. We'll send that out to you. The only thing with samples is you're not going to get a full idea of exactly what it's going to look like, but you will get an idea for the quality of the leaves and the foliage that you receive on this product. Send us a picture of your space and we'll do our best to make you a mock-up or at least give you some examples of how that might look in your specific space.